Hey, fifth grade. Here are your chapters 3 and 4 Bound for Oregon vocabulary. Solemn, not cheerful or smiling, serious. Notice the images. Very serious, not cheerful. Wagon train, a convoy or train of covered horse or oxen-drawn wagons used by pioneers or settlers in North America. Along this route in this image are wagon trains. Captain, the person in command of a wagon train. Quarrelsome, likely to argue or fight. Elaborate, involving many carefully arranged parts or details. Complicated. Contradict, the opposite of a statement. There are your chapter 3 and 4 vocabulary words.